Hey y'all, welcome back, or welcome if you're new. My name is Kimmy, and today I have a huge Temu haul to share with you. I also have a coupon code, and with the link in my description box, you can get $100 worth of coupons. So definitely use that link to get a good deal. Also, the items that I have will be listed down below. I'm going to share the prices with y'all. This video is in partnership with Temu. I have done so many videos with Temu that I have an entire playlist, so you can see all sorts of the things that they have on their site. The shipping is pretty fast, anywhere from like 5 to 10 days. You get notified where the tracking is, all of that. The customer service is great, and they have anything and everything you can think of for your house, for your car, for your family, all that stuff. I've got lots of like fashion and stuff like that in today's haul, some home decor, and we're just gonna have a lot of fun, hang out and do some unboxings and maybe some try-ons. I want to show y'all how they package this because it looks packaged really well. So we got an air fryer. How much was this? Like 70 something? It'll be on the screen. 72. Our air fryer is worn out. We use air fryers every day. Excuse me, I have something in my throat. Okay, so it came in a box and it's got all this bubble wrap around it. This is the only thing in this box, by the way. So I'm gonna take this out of here, and Aaron's probably gonna use this to cook something, so we'll let you know how good it is. But they have stuff like this on there. Alright, here is the air fryer. Look how shiny it is. This one's digital, our other one wasn't. This one has, it's 2.6 quarts, so it's smaller. It's great for, I'd say, like single portions, or you could put like 2 small chicken breasts in there if you're wanting to cook meat or something. So it's about what you'd expect in an air fryer for under $100. It doesn't feel like cheap.
No,
I feel like that's some people's concerns when I do Temu videos, and hopefully Temu doesn't mind me saying this, but people always are saying stuff like, oh, well, I don't want to get stuff like that if it's cheap. The shorts I'm wearing today are from Temu, and I've had them for about a month now. And if you know me, I wear my clothes, like, I wear them a lot. I don't have a lot of pants, so I wear the same shorts over and over. And they hold up great. It's no different than shopping here. So
it feels nice. Yeah,
it feels good. I like how sleek it is. It's gonna be really easy to clean, and yeah, I'm excited to use that.
You want to power it up and see?
It's 120 volts, says 60 hertz, 1300 watts. So that's pretty. 1300 watts is pretty powerful, right? Some microwaves are only 700.
Yeah.
I thought 1200 was a lot, so it's gonna fry our food. Alright, the next things we grabbed were some solar lights. We actually already purchased one of these for our outdoor, and it gets super bright. And the good thing about it being solar is even when there's no motion being detected, it's still like a little outdoor light. It's not as bright, and then if something goes by, like an animal or something, this gets way brighter. So it's just great for like a little security, so you can see what's outside. And I'm just gonna leave this on the table so the sun can charge it, because I'm in front of a window. And what else? Oh, we also got a small little solar panel.
I think it's a 30 watt.
30 watt. So Aaron's gonna use that on something. He's got the air fryer going right now. It's kind of loud.
Oh, this sounds way more powerful than the one we used to have.
Maybe things will cook faster in it. Also, our air fryers, air fryer liners, which we also got off of Temu, they fit perfectly in that one. So if you get the like little circular air fryer liners, they'll fit. where they're a little big in our other one.
The air comes out the back.
Yeah.
It feels like a fan, like you're holding your hand.
Yeah.
It's
so definitely keep it away from the wall.
it's putting.
Good. Maybe you're. Oh, that's the other thing. Our other air fryer had like stopped cooking stuff on the bottom. Like it's supposed to cook all around, and it wasn't heating up the bottom.
I don't think it ever cooked good from the bottom, to be honest.
Yeah.
But also the door.
Open the door.
The tray door, whatever you want to call it, wants to pop out all the time. They don't want to stay closed.
Yeah. So we're happy. So those are the few things we got. I've got more stuff on the way, so I'm going to show you all that. Once it gets here, I will be in a different outfit. So now I'm actually going to film another Temu video, but I'll see y'all in a second in a different outfit. Okay, y'all, Erin said the fried pickles are good. It didn't take that long.
It didn't take that long. It took maybe 6-7 minutes.
I smell them. 6-7 minutes. Alright, y'all, so it's a different outfit. Excuse my no makeup face. I'm a little under the weather, but I wanted to finish this Temu haul, and I got the other package in the mail. So if your order is super big, they will separate the packages, but they normally come on the same day or like right after each other. And a lot of mine have came in these bags on the inside, which is good if it's raining. You don't have to worry about your stuff getting mixed up. I got this gold salad bowl or whatever I'd want to put in there. Oh, you could put popcorn in here. It'd look fancy. Fancy popcorn. Anyways, Erin actually saw this and I was like, yeah, I want that. So I got one of these. It's a pretty good size. It covers up my head. So I got that. Oh, I didn't know that I got 3. I got 3. Erin's sitting right beside me. These are, because I am bad, I wrap my head with, you know, with a regular towel, which is really not good for your hair. So I think Erin also saw these. Y'all, my battery died. Okay, so I got a pack of 3 of these microfiber, like plush towels that you put on your head, and it comes with a little button so you can hook it. We got some cling stuff to go on our window on the door, and this one has birds. They had other ones though, so just look around, but this one has the birds on it, and I'm going to use it on our, not this door that has the glass, because I like looking out that glass door, but the other one in the laundry area. We have a little diamond shape, and right now it's covered up by paper, so that's going to be an upgrade. This, did you pick this out?
Oh yeah.
Food fresh keeping?
Yes, vacuum seal bags.
Oh, vacuum seal bags. Okay. We got some of those. I think this is another one of those towels. This is a pink one, and this one is a different. I don't think this one has a button. Okay, this one does have a button, and this one's pink, so I've got 4 of them now. I got these. They are to hold your curtains back and make them look all fancy. They had different ones too. They had like a gold leaf, but they were sold out of the gold leaf one, so I ended up getting these. So Erin picked out an air pump spray. I'll give that to you. He also picked out a nozzle head. What does this go on?
A 2 liter.
A 2 liter.
Water flowers.
Okay.
This goes in a 2 liter too, I think. For
the pump.
It's a pump. It pumps water.
Okay.
It's a sprayer.
Gotcha. So y'all have already seen me use some of these, and the ones I had were not off of Temu. This feels very similar to that one, and this one has little handles. So this one's more vertical. The other one I have is a little bit like wider, but not as tall. These are perfect. I put sheets in here, blankets in these, pillows, anything that you're not using all the time. I have like a weighted blanket in one of mine. I have an air mattress in one of mine. So these are great. Aaron found this and he ended up just getting another one, but so good to keep your stuff in. And I got another one of those head towels. This one's in the blue. Okay, they had all sorts of like fur mama shirts is what I call them, and a lot of them were sold out, but I did find this one and it had all different colors, but I ended up getting the yellow one because every time I wear yellow y'all tell me that it looks good and it's one of my colors. So I got this for Miss Chloe. I have a little paw on it because I love animals more than people. Alright, so I have two different Temu hauls. I don't know which one is y'all are seeing first. If you're seeing this one first and the next one I have coming up, I tried on a lot of stuff today because I'm not feeling well. I'm not going to try these on, but they do look like they're going to fit. I would say things are true to size, and I tell people, like, if it says 3X but then in parentheses it says size 18, if you're normally a 3X and you wear a size 22, go with the size 4X, which is like a 2022. Go with the number that's in the parentheses so that you get the correct size, because the like X number can be off a little bit, but the number size, like number 18, it's correct. So it is true to size. So this I got in the like curvy plus size section, and it's a whole outfit, which is awesome, and they're super cheap. Like, I don't even know if they're even $14. I'll put the price on the screen. But this says pink. I love pink, obviously. I have it on my shirt. I love that I don't have to go to that store to buy it. I can just go off Temu and get it. I'm pretty sure I got these in a 18, like 3X. No, 2XL. So that would have been a 16, I think. So I got the top. Funny thing is, I have shorts that match that, and these are shorts. These have the cursive, but I do have another pair of shorts with this same colorway, and it just says pink on the side. And the shorts are also 2X. Looks good. Alright, so this is the same thing except for a different like pattern. It says pink, and this was, let me see if this is also a 2X, because I just get whatever size available. Okay, yeah, that's a 2X too. And then it came with the shorts. These shorts are so soft, by the way. I have accidentally put these shorts in the dryer, and they still fit. Like, they didn't shrink or anything. And they're not peeling. So, I really like them. It's very comfortable. It's like you're wearing nothing. It's really good. And then the last thing I have is a dress. So I wanted to pick out a dress. The fabric on here kind of reminds me of a muumuu. You know what I'm talking about. Can you see the like shine to it? It reminds me of a muumuu, like a pajama, but it is a dress. This is what it looks like. Very springy summer. I don't really have any dresses, so I wanted to get one. I got this one in a, let me tell you the size. This one I also got in a 2X. It's 95% polyester, 5% spandex. So it's going to be really soft and like lightweight. On the inside it is more soft than the like silky feel. I was checking to see if it had pockets. I feel like it does. It does have pockets. And if I were you, I would wear a slip under it because I can see through it. But other than that, it's good. Okay, that is everything I got. Don't forget that there is a code right here, and you can also use the link in the description box, and you will get some coupons from using that link, up to $100 worth of coupons that Temu has. So definitely check that out. Also sign up if you are new to Temu, because you will get like special deals and stuff sent to your email. They always have good deals. I like Temu, and I've purchased myself. I've purchased these chair covers. I have a little couch cover over here. So even though this video is a paid partnership and they let me pick out these items, I have also spent my own personal money off of Temu, and will continue, because I really like it and it's something I can afford. So I like bringing that to y'all, because you know, not everybody can afford like expensive stuff, so it's good to have access to things that you want that don't cost a lot of money. Okay, thanks so much, Temu, for partnering with me on this video, and I will see all of you back here very soon for another video. Bye.